Oh, I got my new fridge, shining white. They delivered her this morning to my delight. Now I got my new fridge, I can call this place a home. Now I got my new friends, I'll never be alone. Now no more throwing so much stuff away. I'll pop it in the freezer for another day, 'cause now I got my new fridge, I can even make ice cubes. 'Cause now I got my new fridge, no more culinary blues. I can handle dinner parties, not just for two. I can do a month of shopping, keep a mountain of food, 'cause now I got my new fridge, I can cook my friends a treat. 'Cause now I got my new fridge, I'll freeze what they don't eat. Standing in the kitchen, a temple to the feast, full of wholesome goodness, just when you expect it least. 'Cause now I got a new fridge, I'll throw nothing away. 'Cause now I got a new fridge, it's my happy, lucky, sunny favorite day.